Hey guys, welcome to another video with a new airdrop opportunity. Today I'm talking about EarnOS. EarnOS is a Web3 ad platform on the XION blockchain that connects brand with users. It offers airdrop where you can earn rewards like points or tokens by doing easy tasks. So as you can see, they have secured around 5 million funding from some top investors, and that's a good sign. If you visit their X handle, they have around 270k followers, and at the time of making this video they have actively sharing their progress to build a strong community, which is another positive thing for us. If you want the latest crypto and airdrop updates, then you can join our Telegram channel where we share everything. You can also check out our blog where we publish the latest news and articles. So all the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Now let's move on how you can join this airdrop. First, visit the page. I'll put the link in the description. So when you land this page, as you can see, you will see a lot of options. Just click sign up, then enter your email. Next, you need to verify your email. Go to inbox, copy the code and paste it here, and it will automatically log in. Now you can set up a passkey, but for now I will skip it. Then pick a username, and click next. After that, add your email again to get instant 50 points. Now click start earning. As you can see, you will see a bunch of tasks to choose from. Here's where my points show up. To get most points, you will need to complete all the tasks. For example, let's click here. So first I need to connect my X account, authorize the app, as you can see the task is complete. Next, click join newsletter, and it's done too. Now you can skip some steps. Once all the tasks are finished, claim your 50 points. Look, I have got my points now. So you need to complete all these tasks one by one. You can also share your referral link with your friends to earn more points. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.